My name is Afiq Naufal bin Aminuddin. I'm from EC1101L and my metric number is 2020-843388. Today, I'm gonna talk about differentiation. What is differentiation? Differentiation is a derivative of instantaneous rate of change of a function, one of its variables. It is also a process of finding rate of change and function. Differentiation allows us to find rate of change of velocity with respect to time to find acceleration. X with respect to y, which on the graph y against x, is the gradient of the curve. How can we apply differentiation in daily life? We can calculate the profit and loss in business at the graph. We can also check the temperature variation and determine speed or distance covered in km per hour.
Muhammad Naim Benode from class EC1101L, and I am the second member of this group. And today I'm gonna to present to you guys about Rolle's theorem. So in Rolle's theorem, there are two conditions that has to satisfy. The first one is FA equals to FB, and the second one is F1C equals to 0. So let's move to the question. The question is find the value of C that satisfies Rolle's theorem for the function of fx equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2 in the interval of 0 and 3. So the problem is we need to find the value of C that satisfies the Rolle's theorem in this condition. So the first thing that we need to do is, as we know that 0 is represent of A and 3 is represent for B. So we need to substitute 0 and 3 in this function. Okay. So after we substitute this function, we get f0 equals to 2 and f3 equals to 2. So the condition A, f0 equals to f3, and it is shown that it has satisfied the first condition of this Rolle's theorem. So to the next term is f1c equals to 0. First, we need to differentiation this function. Okay, we differentiate fx equals to x squared minus 3x plus 2. We get f prime x equals to 2x minus 3. So we just need to substitute x with c, right? So we substitute is we can get f prime c equals to 2c minus 3. So the next condition, f prime c equals to 0. We substitute f prime c with 2c minus 3. You can get 2c minus 3 equals to 0. Then we transfer negative 3 to the other side. We can get 2c minus 3, and so the final answer we can get c equals to 3 over 2 in the element of 0 over and 3. That's all from me, from Muhammad Naim. Thank you.
Wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaki bin Ahmadi. I am from class EC1101L. I'm going to present to you guys about mean value theorem. Okay, what is mean value theorem? The mean value theorem for differentiation states that if fx is differentiable on open interval a b and continuous on closed interval a, b, then there is at least one point in open interval a, b where using the formula f prime c equal to fb minus fa over b minus a. Now we move on to the question. Find the value of c that satisfies the mean value theorem for the function fx equal to square root x plus 5 in the interval 4, 11. Firstly, we need to find fa and fb using the equation fx equal to square root x plus 5. And we can get fa equal to 3 and fb equal to 4. Now we will move to the next step, that is b minus a. We know that a is 4 and b is 11, right? We should be careful in this step because most students accidentally make a mistake by using fa and fb in this equation. Okay, for the b minus a, we get 7. Then we move to find f prime x for the next steps. For f prime x, we can get 1 over 2 square roots x plus 5. To get f prime c, we just need to change in this question in x in this question into c, so we can get f prime c equal to 1 over 2 square root c plus 5. By using the formula, we can get c equal to 7.25.
For discussion, it is a polynomial function, so it is continuous and differentiable everywhere. Furthermore, for this question, fx is replaced to the interval 0 and 3, so it is equals to 2. This function on this interval satisfies the hypothesis of Rolle's theorem. As for discussion, we can conclude that Rolle's theorem states that there is a value of c in interval 0 and 3 with f prime c equal to 0. Mean value theorem generalizes Rolle's theorem by considering functions that are not necessarily 0 at the end point. As we know, the mean value theorem states that if fx is continuous over the closed interval, which is a and b, it is differentiable over the open interval, then there is exists at point c.